day.
There's apples under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
The market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it.
This video is sponsored by the award-winning Daily Market Movements trading platform. To open a live or demo account, simply visit dmmtradingplatform.com. Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the Nasdaq100 futures chart. Just before I start today's video, anyone who's interested in joining my free analysis group over on Telegram, then please do not hesitate to scan this QR code on your screen. But let's start here with the Nasdaq100, and I think it's appropriate to mention that we've just had the non-farm payroll figures an hour before the market opened, and the street was expecting 250,000 jobs created. I was told by some of my sources to look for the number to come in a little bit weaker than expected, which of course would have been positive for the markets and would have likely have caused a rip towards the upside, as we are trading in an environment where good news is bad news and bad news is good news. But the number actually come in slightly stronger than expected, only by 15,000. And, due to the fact we have the VIX trading above 30, this indicates that on a daily basis, you should expect around 2% volatility in the likes of the Nasdaq100 and the S&P 500. We have seen the Nasdaq100 fall, and we're currently down around 2.24%. So that's all in line with what the VIX is kind of telling us here. But, again, this move, you could argue that this is just a technical move where we've gone and formed that A pattern, which was the highs of that two-day rally that we had back on Tuesday. That's Monday to Tuesday. And right now we are just forming the A, B section. Sorry about that, those WhatsApp messages coming through. But right now we are just forming that A to B wave phase. And at this moment in time, it looks very likely that we are about to bottom around about now. And I would be a buyer of this dip. Many investors right now are looking for the market to go and take out the June 16th low and to go and trade down towards, new yearly lows, down at around 10,000. Some are even saying 9,500. I'm not in that camp, not yet anyway. I think that this is a technical movement. Don't forget, the past couple of weeks, so last month in September, we've just had that impulsive Elliott wave move where we've gone the first wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, fifth, and now of course it's followed by an ABC correction. So those who are looking for us to go and take out the June 16th lows, I think that you will lose money in the coming days and weeks, as I do anticipate as we go into the next trading week. On Monday we will see a reversal of the losses that have occurred during today's trading session, and we will go and break above that A leg and go and trade probably towards that 50-day EMA up at around 12,000 and top off this C leg. So I'm very bullish going into next week. I see this minor dip as a buying opportunity. I know that many who are watching this video right now probably disagree with myself, especially on the back end of us falling 2.25%, and sure, I get it. I understand. Right now, the sentiment is extremely bearish. We have the AAII sentiment survey, which is currently down at a record low. So, it takes someone to be quite brave to actually come out and use YouTube as a platform to say, you know what, guys, I'm bullish. And this isn't me trying to be a hero. This is just pure technical analysis. And, as I just mentioned, I do believe we are trading in this ABC correction. The last couple of days, I have been calling for a minor correction. The biggest question was, how big was that A to B leg going to correct? And unfortunately, I do not have a crystal ball which tells the future, as much as I wish I did. And I know there's many viewers on here who think that I still do have one. Unfortunately, I don't. But I feel like, we're not going to go much lower than around this 11,150 area. So once again, guys, going into next week, I would be a buyer. We have the CPI reading coming out on the 13th of October, so that's next week, and that is going to be what really dictates where the market goes going into the latter end of the month of October. And I'm expecting inflation to cool off rather significantly, and for the bulls to really set back into this market and push us up towards that 50-day EMA.
There's apples under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
The market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it.